Clips and clamps is metal stamping. We do metal forming as well. And we've been in business since 1954. It's family owned and it's still family owned today. Before we had Plex, one of the things we did was we looked at our subsystems. So even though we had this manufacturing product, we also had a product for APQP, we had a maintenance program. So with Plex, it's integrated, and all those systems that we had that were on the side, they all talk to each other and communicate really well. Having a cloud-based system is amazing. It allows us to work from home, which I know is a big thing. Even being off-site, if I get a text message, I can log on to my phone and answer or take care of business while I'm away. When we would do a physical inventory prior to Plex, we would shut the plant down on like a Saturday and have a whole staff come in, and we would inventory every box and container and steel coil that we had on the floor. We haven't performed an annual physical in years since we went with Plex. It's been great.